viewers, welcome back to WeCodeNoCode. Google dropped a massive upgrade to Google AI Studio, and trust me, this one is a game changer. It's the fastest way from prompt to prototype, or even production, powered by Gemini, Google's latest and smartest AI model. And today, I'll show you how to vibe code and build Gen AI-enabled apps visually without writing a single line of code in Google AI Studio. And the best part? It's completely free. But before we start, if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more tutorials on AI, no-code, and app building. All right, let's dive in. You can check the link in the description and go to aistudio.google.com. Then log in using your Google account. You can click here directly or go to the Build feature, and here you can build generative AI apps and bring your ideas to life with Gemini. Here you can describe your idea or simply write a prompt to create an app. You can even use speech-to-text to describe your ideas and add files for reference as well. You'll also see the I'm feeling lucky option. If you click it, it will suggest various app ideas. Each time you click, you'll get a brand new idea. You can also see the different AI models it's going to use. And down below, you can explore all the various AI models and capabilities from Google that you can integrate into your app. So we'll build an on-demand merch mockup app. That helps you create professional product visuals instantly. You simply upload your logo, and the AI automatically places it across different product shots: t-shirts, mugs, tote bags, hoodies, making it look completely realistic and print-ready. You'll get live previews of your designs and can export high-quality, print-ready files for your team, print platforms, or online store. It's powered by the Nano Banana model, built for creative generation. Now I'll click on Build, and right away you can see it's using the Gemini 2.5 Pro model to bring everything to life. The model has started running and thinking, preparing the build, and generating all the components we need in real time. Behind the scenes, it's writing code, creating the UI, setting up logic, and connecting everything together automatically. You can click here on the code section and see that, in the background, the code is being generated automatically for our app, line by line, in real time. Every component, service, and utility file is being created by the AI, from the front-end layout to the back-end logic, all structured perfectly inside the project. Now, I clicked on Preview, but since the development is still happening in the back-end, the live preview isn't available just yet. The entire process took about 91 seconds to run and 46 seconds of model reasoning. And here we go. Google AI Studio has just created the first version of our app. Here, you can see the option to upload your logo. You can also describe your mockup idea, just type in what you want to create in simple words, or choose from the preset options like t-shirt, mug, tote bag, or hoodie, and instantly generate your mockup. Here you'll also notice that Google AI Studio suggests ways to improve or extend your app's features, helping you make it more powerful and customized with just a few clicks.
Now let's upload a logo and generate some mockups across different products.
First, I'll select the t-shirt option and click Generate Mockup. And here you can see it started generating the preview in real time. And here we go. The mockup is ready. The logo is beautifully placed on the t-shirt, perfectly aligned and realistic. Next, let's try the mug. And again, a stunning mockup appears, showing our logo cleanly printed on the mug. Now, let's test it with the tote bag. And it has started generating the mockup, and in seconds, another clean, photorealistic mockup generated in seconds, perfectly placing the logo right where it should be. The lighting, texture, and placement look incredibly natural, just like an actual product photo shoot, all powered by AI. Finally, we'll test it on the hoodie, and it turned out perfect. You can download all these print-ready files right here, ready to use and share.
If you'd like, you can also switch to full screen mode to get a better look. From here, you can also preview how your app and mockups appear across different devices: mobile, tablet, and desktop, all in one place. This feature is super useful for testing responsiveness and layout, making sure your AI-generated app looks consistent and polished no matter where it's viewed. Now let's try something fun. Let's say I want to change the app's color theme to green, white, and black. I'll simply pass that prompt to Google AI Studio, and just like that, it starts configuring the app, updating the code and styling automatically. Within seconds, you can see the model generating the updated code, modifying the configuration and UI files, and refreshing the design preview in real time. It's rewriting the styles, adjusting the color palette, and fine-tuning every component, all without you having to touch a single line of code. And here we go. Our app is now beautifully redesigned in green, white, and black, all powered by AI. Once you're happy with your app, you can save a copy of the code directly to Google Drive, download the full project, or even push it to GitHub. And when you're ready to launch, you can deploy your app easily using any hosting, such as Netlify, Vercel, or even directly on the Google Cloud. Google Cloud offers $300 in free credit for new customers to try Google Cloud products, so you can explore, test, and deploy your projects without any upfront cost. You won't be charged until you activate your full paid account. And once your app is live, you can monitor its performance, track user activity, and even connect APIs or databases. It's fast, scalable, and beginner-friendly, making it a great choice for turning your AI prototypes into fully functional production apps. And that's it for today's demo. I hope you learned something new and got inspired to start building your own Gen AI-powered apps. If you did, now's the perfect time to grab your laptop, head over to Google AI Studio, and start creating your very first Vibe-coded app, all without writing a single line of code. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to WeCodeNoCode and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on future tutorials. I've got a lot more exciting projects, tools, and demos coming your way. Thanks for watching, and as always, keep building, keep experimenting, and I'll see you in the next one.